First, we require the Express module and create an Express application instance. This sets up our basic server using the popular Express framework for Node.js. Here we have defined a get route on the path, old path. When this route is hit, the response object's redirect method is invoked, sending a 301 moved permanently status code to the client, along with the new URL, new path where the client should send subsequent requests. This is useful when you've moved a page permanently to a new location and want clients to update their stored bookmarks. Next, we use the appsUse method to create a middleware function that applies to requests with the pattern, user, id, where id represents a dynamic segment of the path. Inside this middleware function, we extract the id parameter from the request, then rewrite the URL to profile, id before calling next to pass control to the next middleware function in the stack. It's like a silent redirection, as the user's browser does not get informed of this change. It's all done within the server. After URL rewriting, this getRoute on profile id will handle the request. The rec params id will contain the user ID from the rewritten URL, and the server sends back a simple message indicating the profile page for that user ID. This demonstrates how rewritten URLs can be used seamlessly in other parts of your application. Finally, we tell our Express application to listen for incoming requests on port 3000. The provided callback to app_listen is just for logging purposes and will be executed once the server is fully running. You can access the app by navigating to localhost 3000 in your web browser. Remember, you'll need to have Node.js installed to run this script and Express installed using npm.